Got some live eel here. They're gutted, but they're still wiggling around a bit. So we're going to be smoking these in a little bit. So I made a brine of salt, kosher salt and brown sugar. What we're going to do is basically a brine for the eels. So we're going to put them in the bottle. Get in there. And we're going to let them brine overnight. I already salted and washed them. They've already been gutted. And these are freshwater eels, by the way. So I've never had a freshwater eel, but we'll see how it comes out. I think I barely fit. That's it. I'm going to put the lid on. Shake it up. And we'll let it brine in the fridge overnight. Alright, we're back. The eels have been marinating in a brine of salt water and brown sugar overnight. So what I did was I tied little knots on them, as you can see here, and we're going to hang them in this right here, and you can hang them in the smoke. We're going to hang them in the smoker at 100 degrees with the door open for about an hour. After I dry them off with a paper towel, we'll let them dry out, and then we'll come back with the progress. Alright, so now we're going to put these in the smoker. I'm going to hang these guys in here. One more. Okay, can you get that? Alright, we're going to hang these in the smoker for 100 degrees for an hour with the door open to dry them out, and then we'll come back to you. That's it. Alright, so the eels have been smoking for about 2.5 hours or so. They're little guys. So basically we're going to take the hooks off. Well, actually, we don't have to, but basically this is it. You can see them. So now, these were all gutted, ready to go. We're just going to kind of open them up a little. And you can see all that beautiful white meat in there. And that's it. We'll try it. And that is fantastic.